Hello everyone, welcome to Power Platform with Mussie. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a solution. Before we create a solution, I just want to tell you what a solution is. So a solution is a package or a container that groups together all the customizations and components you create in an environment. So you can think of it as a zip file that holds your app's building blocks so you can manage, move, and deploy them easily. A solution can contain tables, forms and views, model-driven apps or canvas apps, Power Automate flows, plugins, custom code, security roles, choices, dashboards, and environment variables. Basically, everything your app needs to work, you can keep it in your solution. The reason that we use solutions is to keep all components for a project in one place, to make it easy to transport our solutions so we can export a solution and import a solution from one environment into another. So that could be from development to testing, testing to production, and also to do version controls to track different versions of our apps and just keep everything isolated to avoid clutter in your environment by grouping related components in one solution. So what you want to do is here on make.powerapps.com, make sure that you are in the right environment. You click on solutions, new solution, and here is where you will name your solution. I will name my solution car rental solution. And another important thing is a publisher here. Make sure that you always have a publisher. It wouldn't allow you to create a solution without a publisher. A publisher is like a label or a brand for your solution. It says who created the solution or who owns the solution. So basically, every component like tables, apps, flows that you create within the solution, the publisher name will be added to them. This helps you avoid naming conflicts in your application, as you know which object or component belongs to which publisher. To create a publisher, just click new publisher here. You can name your publisher whatever you want. It just depends where you work and what kind of solution you're building. But normally it is the name of the organization. So one, I will call it Ray Tech. And then I'll just call it Ray Tech. And for the prefix is basically what comes before the name of the object. So I will just make it RT for Raytech. And as you can see here, it says Raytech or RT object or RT whatever. So for the solution that I'm creating, let's say I have a table that is car model or car make, it will say RT car make. They will have that name in everything that I create here. Once I do that, just click save. Here I have my publisher, Raytech. Another thing to note is the version. So this is a version. Basically, the version is the number that shows you which release of your solution you're working on. It helps track changes and updates. The format usually is major, minor, patch, and build. As you can see, there's four of them. The one being the major, this 0 is the minor, and this one is a patch, and this is a build. Once you have that, you just press create. Keep in mind that there are two kinds of solutions. One is managed solution and the other one is unmanaged solution. So a managed solution is primarily for your production, for your live application. You can't make any direct update or direct change to a managed solution. Unmanaged solution is what you have in your dev environment or your testing environment. You can make changes, you can edit as much as you want, as it's still in development. That is the difference between the two. So if I go back here, as you can see, I click on solutions and here is my car rental solution. If I click on it, here it is. And this is where you can create your apps, your tables, your relationships, forms, and views flows and everything that you need for your app to work. To delete a solution, you just go back here, you click on the solution, and then you can click delete. And that will delete your solution. So this is it for today. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to create tables and columns. So I'll see you then.